TT Course matte black unboxing. So some of the TT Course come with black bag, some with white bag. I'm not sure why. I think it just depends on the design. Maybe the plain one come with matte black, and then the special one come with white bag. TT Course plain black, very simple, very nice. This one is actually wanted. Is really on demand. The matte black single visor. Listen. Quality. The only weird thing about the TT Course, I didn't like, you open in the front and not on the side. But after a while, you get used to it. Vent on the top, vent at the back. Inside is actually very nice. Like the quality inside is very good, and you don't have those holes like you get in NFR. So that's a good thing with KYT. I'll tell you why. I will show you. Where is it? Here. 27th of August. So it was made probably in July. Then they ship it from Indonesia. They ship it to Philippines. And this is, every time you buy a KYT, is so high demand that you're sure it's a new one. It's not been made like 3 years ago, then it's been sitting in a warehouse. It's very fast moving, so I see stickers. Whoever, by the way, in Indonesia, whoever put this one here on this model didn't have a good day or didn't have the glasses. It's this is from Indonesia. This is not Philippines. Indonesia put the stickers there, so we put it like that. Pero I'm sure the buyer not gonna mind about this. Beautiful TT Course. I like the black one, but there's so many design available for TT Course that I choose to get the Dalla Porta. But the matte black is nice. Apart from KYT Helmet, we also have TT Course dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Wipro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in a link in this description for Eclo by Aaron Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.